Welcome. This is called Day Trading, the Best Elliott Wave Analysis, episode number 3. So today I'm going to take a brief look at gold. I only did it twice before on this channel, so this will be my third intervention. I'll take a look at its Ichimoku cloud, and once that is done, I'll talk about its wave count. I take a look at the correction we had and my labeling on it. Because I'm not sure, but maybe the last time I was still bearish and now I've switched to a more bullish count. I'm not sure if I already talked about it. Probably not. I don't remember. Anyways, I'll show you the big picture and what's happening right now on gold, according to Elliott Wave. And that being said, let me take a screen share. So now you should see my disclaimer, and below it, the risk warning. The link is in the description. Please read it so that you are aware that there are risks involved in trading. And that being said, I briefly want to talk about my services. So I offer live Elliott Wave updates on gold, US stocks, and Bitcoin. Most of my updates are on Bitcoin, but you also get gold and stocks. Today I have done, I think, 2 updates on every one of them, of every single one of them. But I promise 1 to 3 updates on gold and 1 to 3 updates on Bitcoin and 1 update on gold and US stocks. Sometimes that's fine because gold moves, but sometimes gold is a little slow to move, and it's hard to make a second update if nothing has changed. But normally you get one a day on gold and 1 a day on stocks. I also talk from time to time to the Ichimoku, about Ichimoku for entry, exit, and trading stop loss points. That's on top of it. From time to time, I do that. My service is 20 USD a month. And if you're interested, you should join the free Telegram group and let me know. Your means of payment are either crypto, then it's cheaper, or PayPal, a little more expensive because you're sending to a third party who will buy cryptos with it. For today, that's all I want to say. You can read the rest, but for today, that's all I want to say. So let me now just ask of you to be kind and for my free work to leave me a like and a comment. Leaving a like is really important because it allows other people to find this intervention. I'm a very small YouTuber. I don't have a lot of followers. And if nobody watches my videos, then the market tells me that there's no interest. And then I will have to do something else. Not something else regarding trading, but something else with my time than doing videos. If there's no demand, then there's no reason for me to do those free interventions for you. So please like so that other people can find, and leave me a comment. I always appreciate reading them, especially when they are kind. That's the chart I want to show you. So first, let's talk about Ichimoku. So on Ichimoku, you can see quickly that we are bullish because we are above the cloud. We also have a green Kumo cloud ahead, and the Chico is free of price, and the Tenkan is above the Kichuin. So I don't remember exactly where, but somewhere here, you should have got an indication to go long. And the thing is, I didn't take it, and there's a reason why I didn't take it. I didn't take it because of my Elliott Wave count, and I want to not be too much positions where I lose money. So I only take high probability trades. And to do that, the only way I have found is to use Elliott wave. So let's first talk about Elliott wave. Let's now talk about Elliott wave. On Elliott wave, I've put a double V down here. You can see it. I have to zoom out. Let me zoom out a little. There we go. So I've put a double V down here. I've put an X wave up here. I've put a Y wave here, finishing the wave 4 correction. So from the wave 4 correction, I'm expecting a wave 1 higher. So that's not the only way of labeling this. There's a second way of labeling it, a bearish way, which would allow me to have prices go below 1,677.90. But that second way is an alternate count, and it's not my favorite count, so I'm not going with this one. I think the count that I will show you today is more probable. So from that correction, from the end of the triangle that we had here, the E wave of the triangle, we are starting an impulse wave up. This is wave 1, and this is wave, and we are in the process of accomplishing wave 2. So I'm going to zoom in now to show you that with more clarity. Okay, that should do. So I think we've finished wave 1 up here. Wave 1, and there were 5 waves in it. I'm not going to show you the subwaves, but here you can see the end of it, wave 3 and wave 4. Wave 3 did subdivide, but I'm not going to talk about that too much. I'm just going to talk about the correction we have right now. So from wave 1 up here, we had an A wave down, and now we are supposed to accomplish wave B, and it's B of C, because wave B subdivides into 3 waves: an A wave, a B wave, which was a triangle, and now we should be in the process of accomplishing wave C. So there should be 5 waves in it. 1, 2, 3, and here 4. And then we should get a wave 5 up. We can go to new all-time highs with that labeling. And probable level for the correction will be the 61.8% retracement, and that lies at 1,855.2. So that's likely a level for the wave 2 retracement. That's a 61%. When we get down to the 78%, then I will take the more bearish count more serious. But until that is the case, I'm expecting it only to be a wave 2, and I'm expecting us to go higher. So right now, the thing is that we should top in the next couple of days and then go lower. And this is the reason why I did not take my long trade, because I don't think that the correction is over. So I don't want to enter a long trade right now if then price tops and I get stopped out and lose money. So that's why I use Elliott wave and Ichimoku, because one gives me good entry points and good stop loss points, and the other one gives me the bigger picture. Now, that being said, I would like to remind you to become a member of my private, yes, my private channel also, but before you do that, become a member of my free Telegram group, just to have a second way of communicating with me. You never know when it's useful for your investing or your trading or whatever question you have relating to cryptos. Whenever it's I invite you to become a member of my free Telegram group. And if you're interested in my service, then let me know. Thank you for watching. See you next week for more intervention. I'll try to do one intervention about cryptos and then one about stock or gold next week. And if possible, I'll do it every day of the week. But I'm not sure that I really find the time to do it. But if possible, I will. So thank you for watching and see you next week. Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend.